In this section, we're going to discuss the process of the water cycle. The water cycle shows the processes through which the water circulates, moving through the Earth's oceans, atmosphere, and surface. The energy that drives most of the water cycle comes from the sun. We're going to discuss each part of these processes in detail in the following slides, but just suffice to say we have this cycle where we have evaporation of water at the ground level from oceans, lakes, and streams. That water condenses into clouds. It can also transpire from plants and then condense into clouds. And that's followed by precipitation in the form of rain or snow from those clouds back to the ground, where we get surface runoff into our groundwater, our oceans, lakes, and streams, and then the water cycle repeats itself. The processes in the water cycle show the movement of water and include the following. Evaporation, where water changes state from a liquid to a gas. This is the main process by which water enters the atmosphere. Condensation, where water changes state from a gas to a liquid in the atmosphere and clouds form due to that condensation. Precipitation, which is the release of water from the clouds in various forms. Types of precipitation will be discussed in the next slide. Runoff, which is the movement of water, typically after precipitation along the surface. Infiltration, where water moves into the ground. Transpiration, where water is released as a gas from trees and plants directly into the atmosphere. Here are the various forms of precipitation. Rain, which is liquid rain falling from the sky. Freezing rain, which is when rain falls through a thin, cold layer of air such that it freezes as it comes into contact with the surface. Sleet, which is rain that falls through a thicker, cold layer of air such that it freezes as it falls. Hail, which is similar to sleet. Hail is rain that is frozen in the air, but high winds blow back upward in the clouds, which allows it to grow bigger. And snow, which forms when the temperature of the clouds is below freezing.